ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनाशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी इति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी अष्टत्यदेशधारिणे। वंशकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare। Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare। Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare everyone together Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Hari Bol Hare Rama Hare Rama Krishna Krishna Hare Hare everyone Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Everyone, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Rama, Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Everyone, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Everyone Hare Rama Hare Rama Hariva Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Everyone Hare Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone, please. Let us remember with heartfelt gratitude our beloved Srila Prabhupada and all of our acharyas who have so perfectly and purely bestowed upon us the prime benediction for all humanity. the congregational chanting of the holy names of Sri Sri Radha Govinda. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, for the first time in history, came upon the streets of Navadvip for the inaugural Harinam Sankirtan procession in the public, hundreds and thousands of people came. Lord Chaitanya and his associates were chanting in the private home of Srivas for 1 year. The envious people, the ignorant people, were criticizing and blaspheming Lord Chaitanya and all of his devotees. Even greatly learned Brahmins were offended. They were not allowed. They called Lord Gauranga a cheater, an impostor, the destroyer of Vedic culture, for singing these sacred mantras out loud. But inside, the kirtan was none different than the Rasa Leela of Vrindavan among the pure devotees. The innocent citizens of Navadvip who were pious, they were longing to honor and respect Lord Nimai, and one time in their life see his beautiful dance. One morning they came to Nimai's house with gifts of love, no demands, just offering him respects. And Nimai gave them this simple instruction: always chant Krishna's holy names. With your families at home in the evenings, mother, father, sisters, brothers, sons, daughters, grandchildren, everyone, clap your hands and chant Krishna's holy names. And if you have musical instruments, play drums and cymbals. And if you're on the street, chant the holy names, either in your heart or softly with your lips or loudly. In your shops, in every situation of life, always remember Krishna in his holy names. And he told the citizens of Navadvip, now I will give you this great benediction of the Maha Mantra. 16 words and 32 syllables. Repeat after me. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And he also taught them to chant Hari Haraya Nama, Krishna Yadavaya Nama, Gopal Govinda Ram Sri Madhusudan. But when they did this, they all followed his instruction. The local government, they were breaking the murdangas, beating the devotees, plundering their property, and outlawed any public chanting. when they came back to Lord Chaitanya and said, we want to leave this place because we cannot chant in peace, our lives are in danger. Lord Gauranga loudly proclaimed, today I will lead the chanting in the streets of Navadvip. Let us see who will do what to me. Today, time personified will stand before the Chand Kazi. Today I will bring down a great deluge, a massive storm of prema bhakti, ecstatic love of Krishna, through the chanting of the holy names of the Lord. Everyone come in the afternoon with a torch. The word spread everywhere. And within a couple hours at Nimai Pandit's door, there were hundreds and thousands of people, everyone holding a torch. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu entered the streets with Nityananda Prabhu on one side and Gadadhar Pandit on the other, and loudly chanted this Mahamantra and danced with tears of love cascading from his lotus-like eyes. His every movement of his every limb was the expression of Sri Radha's infinite love for Krishna. The kirtan was so tumultuous, it resounded throughout the universe. And after the sun set, at the same moment, miraculously, everyone lit their torches. And everyone was dancing. And all the crowds were enormous. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, our Supreme Lord Gauranga, his dancing and singing were so beautiful. And every single person, wherever they were standing, could perfectly watch his dance. Everyone forgot material existence. As they were going by homes, homes wanted to welcome Lord Chaitanya by putting banana trees and coconuts and various spices in front of their doorways. But when they saw the kirtan and the beautiful dance, they left their homes. They forgot they had homes. They forgot they had families. They forgot everything except Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. And the thieves of Navadvip, they considered this is the greatest opportunity that will never come again. Every house is empty and every door has been left open. So individual thieves, gangs of thieves, they all went rushing to the houses. But as they heard the Sankirtan of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's devotees, they forgot they were thieves. And they entered the kirtan, raised their arms, and loudly called out, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Mahaprabhu was bestowing the love of Vrindavan upon all by his causeless mercy. Never in all the Puranas and all the Vedic literatures, never in the history of this creation has such mercy and compassion ever been seen? And yet here we are. Srila Prabhupada talked about this faraway place near Gainesville, in a remote corner of the world, so far from Mayapur Dham. We are together in Sri Sri Radha Shyama Sundar's most beautiful temple, in the land of Vrindavan, in the presence of Srila Prabhupada and his beloved devotees, participating. According to the sincerity we chant, the gratitude and humility in which we receive the holy names, and the intensity in which we intentionally focus our entire consciousness on seeking shelter of the holy names. Krishna reveals the supreme treasure, the Prema-dhan. So let us chant together, please, with all our hearts, very loudly, with great feeling. Everyone, please stand up. And raise your arms very, very high, in the mood of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, reaching out for Krishna's grace in the holy names and Sri Radha's supreme compassion. And as we chant, we're sharing that compassion with all creation. Together, please, very loudly. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Many millions of times louder, with sincere feeling. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. One more time. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jai Jai Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada. Jai Jai Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada. Nitai Gaur Hari Bo, Hari Bo, Hari Bo, Hari Bo. Gaur Premanandi.